Hello everyone, I welcome you all for costing methods and techniques class. In today's class, we are going to solve problem on how to calculate estimated total profit. Okay, that is relating to your contract costing. Anup Constructions undertook a contract for rupees 4 lakh on 1st January 2018. From the following particulars, prepare contract account for the year ending 31st December 2018 and how much profit should be appropriated on the basis of estimated total profit. Now here is some expenses they have given: materials, plant installed, wages, working expenses, then administrative expenses, work certified, then plant at site on 31st December, then cost of work not yet certified, then materials costing rupees 5,000 were sold for rupees 4,500. It was estimated that the contract would be completed in a further period of 3 months when the plant will have a residual value of rupees 5,000. The additional wages required to complete the contract would come to rupees 20,000. Additional working expenses would be rupees 3,000 and 2,000 respectively. The additional material required would cost rupees 13,000. So this is the problem. Okay. Yes. Now they have asked us to prepare contract account as well as we need to find out how much profit should be transferred to profit and loss account based on estimated profit. Okay, now as usual, same thing. First, we will prepare contract account. So write down heading Anup Constructions. The next line, contract account for the year ending 31st December 2018. Okay, yes. Now here, a material, plant, wages they have given. So take it on the debit side. To materials. Okay, amount is 90,000. Take it to outer column, 90,000. Next is plant installed. Okay, and the amount is 30,000. Then to wages. Wages amount is 1,20,000. Then comes his working expenses. Working expenses is 2,000 rupees. Next is administrative expenses. So these all are expenses, so we are taking it on the debit side. Administrative expenses. Amount is 5,000. Okay, then again check if any information is given. Now next they have given work certified. So work certified should be taken on the credit side by work in progress by work in progress, then work certified. Next comes is work uncertified. Okay, so work certified amount is being given. Take it inner column and the amount is 3,60,000. And work uncertified, again go through the problem. Here they have given cost of work not yet certified. Not yet certified in the sense work uncertified. Amount is 10,000. Amount is 10,000. That is 3,70,000. Take it to the outer column. Next, plant at site on 31st December 2018, 15,000. So take it here. Buy plant at site. Plant at site. Amount is 15,000. Okay. Now next, go through the problem. Here they have given materials costing rupees 5,000 were sold for rupees 4,500. So first materials sold, we are going to record it on the credit side. Buy materials sold. Okay, and material is sold for 4,500 rupees. 4,500, and this material was costing rupees 5,000, which is sold for 4,500. It means there is loss of sale of materials. So when there is loss of sale of material, we are going to take it on the credit side. Buy loss on sale of materials, in bracket you can show the calculation. So the material was costing rupees 5,000, which is sold for rupees 4,500. Okay, and the amount is 500. If it is profit, then we will be taking it on the debit side, but when there is loss, we need to take it to the credit side. Hope so everybody is understanding this. Okay, now again go through the problem, if anything, if it is left out. Okay, go through the problem, if anything, if we have let, take it. Okay, if not, then make a total of credit side, and the total is 3,90,000. 3,90,000. Okay, write it to the both the sides. Okay, yes. Now find out notional profit. To notional profit carried down. Notional profit is 1,43,000. 1,43,000. Okay, now this should be brought down. This to be brought down to by notional profit brought down. Notional profit brought down is 1,43,000. Okay, now we need to find out how much percentage of work is completed. Okay, but here they have given us estimated. It was estimated, that it means this whatever information they have given, it is for addition of 3 months, like work is to be completed after, like whatever contract was there for 1 year, again it is going to extend for 3 months. So for 3 months whatever expenses will be incurred, that is given. Okay, it means the profit whatever we are transferring it to profit and loss account, it should be based on estimated profit, but we don't know how much is estimated profit. So we need to find out estimated profit. So we will have one working note for this. Working note, calculation of estimated profit. Okay, make a chart. Particulars, rupees, rupees. Okay, now how are we going to find out estimated profit? Okay, now whatever expenses already we have incurred, that has to be taken first. So right here, expenses already incurred. Expenses already incurred. So whatever we have taken it on the debit side, that we are going to take it. So debit side, so here you can make a note. Debit side, debit side of the contract account. Okay, yes. Now what all we have taken on the debit side? We have taken materials. Okay, just go through debit side. Materials amount is 90,000. Okay. Next, plant amount is 30,000. Okay. Then wages amount is 1,20,000. Okay. Next, working expenses. Working expenses amount is 2,000. Next, administrative expenses. Administrative expenses amount is 5,000. So nothing we have done, only whatever expenses are incurred. So those expenses we have taken. Now make a total of these expenses and take it to the outer column, that is 2,47,000. Hope so everybody is understanding. Now from this we need to deduct less credit side of contract account. Okay, yes. Now next, what all things are we are not going to take here. Work in progress, only credit side. Cost price of material sold. Okay, cost price of material sold, inner column 5,000. Okay, next, plant value 15,000. See here 4,500 plus 500, that is 5,000 we have taken. Okay, then plant at site 15,000, this we are going to take it. Plant at site amount is 15,000. Make a total and take it to the outer column, and the total is 20,000. Okay, yes. Now deduct it from debit side total, so that will be 2,27,000. Understanding? Yes. Now what this is called as, this is nothing but expenses incurred up to 31st December 2018. Okay, this is the expenses which we have incurred till the year 2018. Now after this completion of this year, financial year, again the contract is extended for 3 months. Okay, now what all expenses incurred for those 3 months is already been given. Okay, now that we need to take, that is called as additional expenses. Okay, so this additional expenses should be added. So add additional expenses required for completion of contract by 31st March 31st March 2019. That is 3 months. Okay. Yes. Now go through the adjustment what they have given. The contract would be completed in a further period of 3 months when the plant will have a residual value of rupees 5,000. The residual value we treat it as an scrap. Okay, so that has to be deducted from whatever plant is available at site. Okay. Yes. Now here plant 15,000 is at site minus 5,000 is residual value that we are going to deduct. So the plant value is 10,000. Okay. Now next, go through the problem. Second point is the additional wages required to complete the work is 20,000. Then working expenses 3,000. Additional material required would cost rupees 13,000. Okay. Yes. So here it is. Additional working expenses and administrative expenses. Okay. Yes. Wages 20,000. Working expenses 3,000. Administrative expenses 2,000. Materials 13,000. Add it, take it to the outer column. So this is 48,000. Now add it to the expenses which is incurred up till 31st December. 2,75,000. Now 2,75,000 is called as estimated total cost. It is called as estimated total cost. Okay, so we need to find out estimated profit. Okay, hope so everybody has understood this. Okay, to find out how to find out estimated total cost. So debit side total minus credit side total. So wherein credit side we are not going to take work in progress, and then whatever additional expenses are incurred, so that should be added so that you will get estimated total cost. Now when you know estimated total cost, you can find out estimated profit. Now you can write estimated profit is equals to contract price minus total estimated cost. Okay. Now which will be equal to contract price is given in the problem, that is 4 lakh rupees minus total estimated cost is 2,75,000. Okay, so estimated total profit is 1,25,000. So now amount transferred to profit and loss account will be based on this estimated profit. Okay, now next working note is calculation of amount transferred to profit and loss account. Okay, so here amount transferred to P&L account is equals to estimated profit into work certified divided by contract price. Okay, yes. Now next, estimated profit we have calculated 1,25,000 into work certified is given in the problem 3,60,000 divided by contract prices 4 lakh rupees. Okay, which is equals to 1,12,500. Okay, so this is amount transferred to profit and loss account. Here we need not find out a percentage of work completed because already they have given the profit to be transferred to profit and loss account should be based on estimated profit. So the calculation is like this. First we have calculated estimated total cost and then we have calculated estimated profit and then amount transferred to profit and loss account is based on estimated profit. Okay, now here come to contract account. To notional to profit and loss account. So you can write note number 2. Okay, how much amount is transferred? 1,12,500. Right? Now close this. 1,43,000. Now find out how much is reserve. 30,500. Okay, so this is transferred to reserves. Reserves. In bracket you can write balancing figure. Understanding? Yes. Hope so everybody has understood this problem. Go through the problem. solve it again so that everything will be clear. Go through this estimated profit statement, whatever we have prepared. Okay. So see you in next class.